Alright, so I took those mud flaps off of here, the fender flares. They weren't really that great of a fender flare, and I didn't really want to. It's like you can feel it tape edge. They call it a rough tape edge. So I'm going to sand all this out with some really rough stuff just to get it started, and then I'll go with some 220 here to smooth it up a little bit. And I'll hit it with some 320, and then I'll hit the panels with 320 to clear up any blemishes there. It's not going to be a perfect paint job, but it's going to look good. Then I hit with the 220 here. Clean it up, get the deep scratches out. Then we'll throw a coat of paint on it. Of course, like I said, I'm gonna bondo the holes up. Once the holes are bondoed, shoot a coat of paint on there, let it dry, and see how it looks. If it looks pretty good, you could probably go another coat of paint, and if you're going with high gloss, you could just let it go. I've heard some stories of people shooting that 2X rust oleum clear on here and causing it to wrinkle up, and I just really don't want to take the chance on that. I'll probably do a test board somewhere, but I don't want to have to go through sanding off wrinkled up paint. That is the worst. So that's it for today on the 1989 Club Car DS. See y'all later. Thanks for watching.